What's going on, everyone? Destin here, back again with another Switch review video. Today we're talking about the Moonlit Bleu linear switches from HMX. Being the newest addition to HMX's clacky switch list, this is the first switch to pair a palm stem with a P4 bottom housing, ensuring a nice clacky sound that's not too loud. Breaking things down, we got 10 switches in the pack, with each pack costing $3.50. These are linear switches that are manufactured by HMX with the new mold. Comes with the stem material being palm, top housing of PA12, bottom housing of P4, operating force of 45 grams, bottom out force of 53 grams. They pre-travel with a 2.0mm and total travel at 3.6mm, offering a KOS 20mm single stage extended spring. These do come factory lubed with a mix of GPL 105 and 205 on the leaf springs, stem feet, and the bottom housing railings. Using our handy dandy switch opener, we'll go ahead and crack open these Moonlit Bleu linears, take a closer look at each part individually. Kicking things off, we have our top housing consisting of a PA12, stem materials being palm that do come lubed at the stem feet. 20mm KOS single stage extended spring coming factory lubed, and our bottom housings consisting of P4 with a splash of fiberglass for extra clack. Upon a closer inspection, I personally feel it's a very unique blue. These are a 5-pin PCB mount linear switch. Let's go ahead and take a listen. Can definitely hear that fiberglass. We'll take a look at the tolerance here, and with these Moonlit Bleus, new molds on these ones were done well. For the stem wobble, there hasn't been much happening with these new variant of HMX switches, but as for the housings, some of them have come a little bit loose. I will say with the Moonlit Bleus, as you can see, even with an excessive force, there's not really much wobble happening here. In fact, it's moving the whole internals. Maybe something you want to try playlists. As for the fitting of keycaps on the Moonlit Bleus, things are fitting nice and snug. As you can see, not moving anywhere anytime soon. We'll put these up against other HMX linear switches I have in my inventory and comparisons. For the sound test today, we're going Neo 65, no foams, carbon fiber plate with GMK Awaken. Let's take a listen.